Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to track steps on iPhone without an Apple Watch. Alright, let's begin. First, open the fitness app on your iPhone. Follow the on-screen setup instructions according to your preferences. Once done, the app will start tracking your movement, steps, distance, and calories burned directly from your iPhone. If you compare it with a fitness app connected to an Apple Watch, you'll notice some differences. You'll see 3 activity rings. Without it, you'll only see 1 ring that tracks your steps and movement. Even though it's limited, it still records your daily step count accurately. If you want a more detailed view, open the Health app on your iPhone. Complete the setup process and scroll down to the Favorites section. Tap Steps to view your full step history and activity data. This app provides a simple yet effective way to monitor your daily movement without needing an Apple Watch. So that's basically how you can track steps on iPhone without an Apple Watch. That's it for this video. Thanks.